right, we've got ourselves 7th grade PSSA math problem. And this first problem we're going to do is from a no calculator section. So let me rewrite this a little bit larger to make it look a little bit prettier, and I will show you how to do this without the use of a calculator. We are taking a negative plus a positive plus a negative, and I want to start out by going left to right. Negative 28 plus 20. Now, when you have a negative plus a positive, in your mind you are thinking subtraction thoughts. So you're thinking 28 minus 20, the larger value, minus a smaller value, and that gives us 8. Now, since the larger value is actually negative, it stays negative because you're adding more negative values than you have positive values. So negative 28 plus 20 is negative 8. Now let's bring down plus negative 3. When adding a negative and a negative, you add the digits in your head. So 8 and 3 are 11. But since they're both negatives, negative 8 plus negative 3 is negative 11. So when all is said and done, we're going to select B.